man, get up and enjoy this day. Look at that. All right, welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a minute, but I've had a few failed videos. Actually, a lot of failed videos. No fish, no squirrels, nothing. So, but the main reason I ain't been posting is we had a beautiful baby girl. Ain't she pretty?
Yeah.
Got the boys with us. So today we're gonna try to go catch a trout, maybe do a catch, clean, and cook on some trout. Oh, and since my wife is no longer pregnant, she can be on camera. This is Carly. I know y'all seen her in a few videos, but I've never introduced her, I don't think. So she'll be on them from now on. She didn't want to be on camera while she was big, I guess. She's beautiful to me either way, but you know how people are. But also, y'all gonna probably get this video no matter what, even if we don't catch anything, because I've lost like 10 subscribers. And I haven't posted a video, so I know it's not for my videos. It's for me not posting a video. So you're probably gonna get this one no matter what. There you go. All right, lock it. All right, reel in.
What is it?
You ain't got nothing. Just reel it. Keep reeling.
Something? Ooh.
That's just the current. Not even a bite, not even a fish, man. Always fishing here, always. Yeah, guys, we've been fishing all day. I gotta get one out here. Looks like a killer hole. I ain't believing that. Alright, we'll have to do everything at them with nothing, so it's just how it is sometimes. Let's go check out this waterfall.
You can go nowhere, guys. Oh, you're gonna go nowhere. You're right. Do we have... Looks like that was in a big cave.
Huh?
What in the world? And dude.
What are you doing? Who you on the ground so much for?
What are you doing?
Get up. We're almost there. Look at that. know if y'all can tell or not, that's about say 100-foot waterfall. 80, 100 foot, it's pretty tall, but really feel that rush when you get under. Well, we made it back home, no fish, but we did have a fun day.
It was a fun family day.
What do you think, boys? Have fun?
Yeah.
Y'all tired?
No.
I think we're all tired. It was a challenge getting there with all three of them, but fish wasn't hitting, so we just decided to go and enjoy the day. I don't know, we had a good time. I ain't posted a video, so I'm probably more than likely going to post this. I don't really know where the channel's going, hunting, fishing, camping. My camping video seems to be doing the best, but I think people subscribe to it and then see that I'm hunting, so I really don't know. I'm growing, getting 2, 3, sometimes up to 8 subscribers a day, but I don't know. We'll see where it goes, but appreciate y'all for watching. If you have any input on what y'all would like to see or what y'all want us to do, drop it in the comments. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to. If you don't, that's fine too. Until next time, we'll see you later.